Hi, boys and girls. So I'm going to do videos of the 4th 6 weeks review, so that way you will go over the problems at home and do them there. So that way I do them with you, you do them by yourself, you get more experience with them, okay? So my first problem is Trish is going to camp for 2 months, which is greater than 2 months. So they're giving us 2 months. They want us to figure out which is greater than 2 months, okay? My answers are in days and weeks. So if you remember, we cannot compare if they're different units, if they're different things. So for example, days and months are different. I cannot compare them. Weeks and months are different. I cannot compare them. I have to make them the same. Okay, so let's go with days. So for days, let's see, does it say it in here? Okay, no. So for days, we should know, taking our prior knowledge, we should know that 1 month is about 30 days. Okay, so I'm going to write that somewhere here. I'm going to say 1 month equals about 30 days. Okay, I'm saying about because some months have 31 days and some months have 30 days. So I'm saying about 30 days. Okay, so I'm going to take what I know and I'm going to do A. A says 35 days. Okay, so if I know that a month is 30 days, I can say that A is going to equal to a month and maybe 5 days. I'm going to put a month and 5 days. Okay, because 30 would be a month and my 5 left could be 5 days. Okay, now I'm going to compare that. Is a month and 5 days more than 2 months? No, it is not. Okay, because I'm not even at 2 months. I'm at a month and 5 days. So A cannot be my answer. So now let me do B. B says I have 40 days now. Okay, so I'm going to take what I know. I know 30 days is a month. So here I know for sure I have 1 month. Okay. And let's say, I'm saying 1 month because I know that 30 days makes a month. So I'm going to take away 30. Okay. If I take away 30, I have 10 days left over. So it would be a month. And I can say, and 10 days. Okay. So now I have to compare. Is a month and 10 days more than 2 months? No, it's not. It's not past 2 months. Okay. I'm still at a month and 10 days. So B cannot be my answer. Okay. So now I'm going to go into weeks. I'm at C. So it doesn't say it in any of our charts, but taking our prior knowledge again, or actually, does it say it in this chart? Yes. Okay. It says it in this one. Okay. So remember, we glued this one in our math journal. It tells us here that 1 month, whoops. It tells us here that 1 month is about 4 weeks. Okay. So I'm going to write that down over here. 1 month equals about 4 weeks. Okay. So here I have 6 weeks. Okay. So I know that I for sure have a month in here because 4 weeks makes a month and this is more than 4, it's 6. So I know this is a month. Okay. So if I do 6 minus 4, I get 2. Actually, let me do this over here. If I do 6 minus 4, I get 2. So I know that it's a month. And I'm going to put 2 weeks. Okay, that's my leftover. My 2 is my leftover week. So it's a month and 2 weeks. Okay, is that more than 2 months? No, it's not. Okay, it's not more than 2 months. It's a month and 2 weeks. Okay, so C cannot be my answer. Okay, let me do D. So I have 10 weeks. I'm going to go back to my prior knowledge. I know 1 month is 4 weeks. Okay, so I know for sure this has a month in it. Okay. So if I have 10 minus 4, this becomes a 0, this becomes a 10. I have 6, okay? So now I have 6 weeks left because I used up 4 to make a month, okay? 6 weeks can make another month, so I'm going to put another month here, okay? I'm going to take away 4 again to see if I can make another month. 6 minus 4 is 2, okay? So now I know I have 2 months and 2 weeks, okay? All I was doing here was seeing how many months I can take out. I took out 1 month, I took out another month, so I have 2 months. My leftovers 2 weeks, okay? So now I compare. I have 1 month, I have another month, that makes 2 months and 2 weeks. That is greater than 2 months, okay? So 2 months, 2 weeks. My answer is D.